So hello friends, I am Siddesh Kumar and I am from Shivalikal Public Senior Secondary School, I am reading 10th class and today I am presenting my project report which is based on road accident prevention system. So the purpose of road accident prevention system is to reduce accidents which take place on mountain roads or hilly roads or curved roads. So in my project report, the first topic is the abstract. So in abstract we are discussing about the purpose of this project. So the purpose of making this project is to reduce the road accidents. Now, as we all know that millions of accidents takes place every day, every hour, and in every minute. So, about 1.2 million of people die due to road accidents every year in whole world, and about one children is die due to road accident in every 3 minutes, which is a very major issue. So, to reduce the road accident, we are making this project. Now, the second is the procedure. Procedure, or you can say that working. So, in this topic we are discussing about the working of this project. So the working of this project is based on using two sensors. One is IR1 and one second is IR2. IR1 is IR sensor 1 and IR2 is IR sensor 2. The IR sensor 1 is placed in road 1 and the IR sensor 2 is placed in road 2. So we can explain it by giving example. So now consider that this is a curved road or mountain road. This is mountain. This is the one side of road and this is second side of road. So now a car, consider a car coming from this side. The driver of this car can't see other side of the road, which is very dangerous that he can't see the other side of road. And if a car coming from this side, the driver of this car is unable to see the other side of the road. So they are unable to see any obstacle or car coming from the other side. So if the car is at high speed, the driver can't stop the car at this point. So this is the major issue of accidents. So to prevent this type of accidents, we are making this road accident prevention system. So the IR1 sensor, is placed in at this road and the IR sensor is placed at this road. Okay. So the IR sensor is controlled by a Arduino board, which is Arduino UN. You can see that this is the diagram, and this is IR pair 1, this is IR pair 2, and this is Arduino UNO, which controls the functioning of the system, whole system. This is the power supply. This supplies the power to the resistor, and the resistor passes the power supply to the regulator. The regulator controls the power supply, and then it passes the power supply to the Arduino UNO, and then further Arduino UNO distributes the power supply to IR pair sensor 1 and IR pair sensor 2. Now, when a car coming from this side, and if a car coming from this side, the IR sensor 2 indicates the driver coming from this side that an obstacle or any car coming from this side. So by mean of LED. So there is a LED, a green and a red. If a car coming from this side, the LED turns red, and if any car or not or obstacle not coming from this side, then the LED turns into green. So this indicates the driver that a car coming from this side or not. So in this way we can prevent the road accident prevention system. So now the third topic is the result. What is the result? Result. So in this we discuss about what is the result by implementing this road accident prevention system in the roads. So when we implement the road accident prevention system in the roads, this reduces about 50% of the accidents that takes place in the hilly areas, about 50% of the roads. But the people have to also follow the rules which are made by the Supreme Court or higher authorities. Without the following rules, the accident prevention can't stop the road accidents. So it is also important to follow the rules. So guys, now further we discuss about the conclusion of this project. What a conclusion we found from this project or this project report. Conclusion. Now the purpose of making this project is to decrease the number of accidents takes place in the roads or in the curved roads or in the other roads. This is done by alerting the driver. This is done by alerting a driver coming from this side of the road that a car or obstacle coming from this side. So this is the conclusion of this project report. Now the future plan. What the future plan have to done after implementing the road accident prevention system? Arrangement to protect the sensor from rain, because the sensor is very sensitive part, so we have to protect the sensor from the rain. So this can be saved by making shelter around the sensor. So the next future plan is that decrease size of the unit. So it occupies less space, small space. That if the sensor is like in large shape, it occupies a large space area. So we can't implement the unit in small roads like that in link roads. So we have to small the size of the so that it can be implemented on small roads. Now third is that implementing the sensor in the small roads so that it can also prevent the road accident in the link roads. And this is the future plan. And now the advantages of the road accident prevention system. What are the advantages? So the first advantage is that the road accident prevention system is fully automated. Means that no one person is needed to operate the sensor, which is a very important advantage. Now the second advantage is that the road accident prevention can save the millions of people of lives, which is a very important thing. These are the some advantages of the road accident prevention system. Now we discuss about the data analysis of the road accident prevention system. What are the data analysis? How many accident takes place in past? So now guys, our next topic is the data analysis. In data analysis, we discuss about the number of accident takes place from 2011 to 2019. So in 2011, you can see that the total number of accidents are 1,42,485, and in 2012 it is 1,38,258. In 2013 it is 1,37,572. In 2014 it is 1,39,671. You can see that, and in 2015 it is 1,46,133. In 2016 it is 1,50,785. In 2017 it is 1,47,913. In 2018 it is 1,51,417. In 2019 it is 1,51,113. So in this we observe that in 2011 the total number of accidents are 1,42,485, but in 2019 it is 1,51,113. So meanwhile that the number of accidents increases from 2011 to 2019. So to prevent these accidents, these increasing accidents, we made this project which is road accident prevention system. So at last friends, my conclusion is that to prevent the road accidents or to save millions of people life, we have to implement the project which is road accident prevention system. It is very important to prevent death rate and number of lives of people, which because life is very precious, so we have to prevent it by these types of system. So lastly guys, thanks to